Brace yourself. From mysterious creatures lurking in the shadows to fearsome predators hidden deep within the jungle, the Amazon rainforest is no longer just a lush paradise for explorers. It's become one of the most spine-chilling destinations on Earth. While this vibrant ecosystem is a safe haven for over 30 million insect species and produces 21% of the world's oxygen, it's also home to some of the most dangerous creatures known to man. But what's lurking beneath the surface of the Amazon River? How deadly are the creatures that call these waters home, and what dangers do they pose to humans? Get ready as we dive into the untamed depths to reveal 10 of the strangest creatures that live in the Amazon River. Beasts that could change the way you see this legendary rainforest forever. The giant otter, the Amazon's playful predator in peril, roaming the rivers of north-central South America. The giant otter, the largest otter species in the world, is one of the Amazon's most remarkable creatures. Once abundant across the region, this unique species now faces a precarious future, with its population fragmented due to decades of poaching and habitat destruction. Once sought after for its luxurious velvety fur, rampant hunting in the 1950s and 1960s led to a devastating population decline. Today, with fewer than 5,000 individuals left in the wild, the giant otter is listed as endangered, making every sighting a rare and precious event. This majestic creature has adapted perfectly to its amphibious lifestyle, with its dense, waterproof fur, webbed feet, and powerful wing-like tail enabling it to navigate the Amazon's waterways with ease. Preferring freshwater rivers, lakes, and seasonally flooded streams, the giant otter constructs campsites near feeding areas, clearing vegetation to make space for their family groups. With a diet primarily consisting of fish, including characins and catfish, these skilled hunters are also known to feast on crabs, turtles, snakes, and even small caimans. Despite its size and fearsome hunting abilities, the giant otter faces competition from other predators like neotropical otters and crocodilians, adding yet another challenge to their survival in the wild. Known by various names across the region, Arirana in Brazil, river wolf and water dog in Spanish, the giant otter is as elusive as it is captivating. In their natural habitat, they are social, living in extended family groups that can range from 2 to 20 members, though most groups average between 3 and 8. Early explorers reported being surrounded by noisy groups of these otters, but it wasn't until the 1970s that groundbreaking research by scientist Dupleix shed light on their behavior and the urgency of their conservation. One of the most vocal of all otter species, the giant otter communicates through a rich array of sounds. With 22 distinct vocalizations cataloged in adults and 11 in neonates, these animals are exceptionally social, using their voice to alert, warn, and even comfort one another. From sharp barks signaling danger to soothing hums and coos within the group, their vocal repertoire is as intricate as their social structure. As habitat loss continues to threaten their survival, the giant otter remains one of the Amazon's most endangered mammals. Habitat degradation, pollution, and competition for food further complicate their existence. Yet, their resilience and ability to adapt to blackwater rivers with rocky or sandy bottoms show that with proper conservation efforts, there is still hope for these remarkable animals. The giant otter stands as a symbol of both the beauty and fragility of the Amazon. But as we marvel at their playful and social nature, we are reminded that this species, like so many others in the Amazon, needs our protection to ensure its survival. The electric eel, nature's living battery. The electric eel is no ordinary fish. It's a powerhouse of nature, capable of delivering a jaw-dropping electric shock of up to 860 volts. Found in the murky freshwater of South America, these eels have fascinated scientists and explorers for centuries. Classified under the genus Electrophorus, they're not just another aquatic predator, they are a living electric generator. Since the 1700s, electric eels have intrigued researchers, with their electrical abilities first studied in 1775, laying the foundation for the invention of the electric battery in the early 1800s. But it wasn't just in laboratories where these creatures left their mark. A terrifying real-world encounter in the 18th century saw explorer Alexander von Humboldt witness electric eels incapacitate horses during a fishing expedition. These horses, shocked by the eel's powerful strikes, tragically drowned, demonstrating the raw power and lethal potential of this aquatic creature. The secret to the electric eel's shock lies in specialized cells known as electrocytes, which act like tiny batteries that build up and discharge electrical energy. With long, cylindrical bodies that can stretch up to 2 meters and weigh as much as 20 kilograms, electric eels look as formidable as they are dangerous. Their thick, smooth skin ranges from dark brown to black, often with a striking yellow or red underbelly, adding to their eerie appearance. Their ability to generate electricity, paired with their unique physiology, makes them superb hunters. Using wave-like movements of their elongated anal fin, they glide through the water, often in poorly oxygenated environments like swamps and streams. Thanks to a remarkable adaptation called buccal pumping, these creatures are air breathers, allowing them to survive in low-oxygen waters and even on land for several hours, as long as their skin remains moist. Despite their power, electric eels aren't the only dangerous creatures lurking in the Amazon River. But what other terrifying beasts call these waters home? Are there creatures even more deadly than the electric eel? Stay with us as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the Amazon's most fearsome inhabitants, the Candiru fish, the Amazon's tiny terror. The Candiru fish, often called the vampire fish, is one of the Amazon River's most feared creatures, despite its deceptively small size. While this slender catfish measures only a few inches long, its sinister reputation is large enough to strike fear into the hearts of anyone familiar with the unsettling tales surrounding it. What makes the Candiru so terrifying isn't its size, but its unsettling choice of habitat. This fish has a notorious ability to infiltrate the most unexpected and uncomfortable places. Its reputation was first brought to light in 1829 by German biologist C.F.P. von Martius, who relayed a story told by the indigenous people of the region. They warned that men would tie ligatures around their genitals when entering the river to prevent the Candiru from swimming into their urethras, a chilling precaution that turned the tiny fish into a local legend. Although von Martius never witnessed these attacks, the story was enough to cement the fish's status as one of the most feared creatures of the Amazon. Further reports, including one from French naturalist Francis de Castelnau in 1855, claimed that the Candiru could leap out of the water and ascend the stream of urine into the urethra, a myth so bizarre it defies the laws of physics. Castelnau himself dismissed this idea, but the legend persisted, fueled by the terrifying image of a tiny fish capable of such an invasive act. Despite these myths, modern research has debunked the idea that the Candiru is attracted to urine. Instead, these fish hunt by sight, not by scent, and are far more interested in the noise and agitation of the water than in human activity. While the Candiru's fearsome reputation may be exaggerated, its ability to inspire dread is undeniable. But is the Candiru the most dangerous creature in the Amazon's waters? Or are there others that make this tiny fish seem tame by comparison? Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the strangest and most fearsome creatures lurking in the depths of the Amazon River. The pink river dolphin, the Amazon's playful mystery. The Amazon River dolphin, famously known as the pink river dolphin, is one of the most captivating and mysterious creatures of South America's waterways. Its unusual pink hue has sparked countless myths, with locals once believing it to be an enchanted spirit of the river, emerging from the depths with a mischievous grin, as if hiding some magical secret. But this striking color isn't the only thing that makes the pink river dolphin so intriguing. Unlike their ocean-dwelling cousins, these dolphins are known for their playful and curious nature. Imagine paddling your canoe only to feel a gentle nudge from these cheeky dolphins, who seem to enjoy interacting with people just as much as with their surroundings. When they were first discovered, researchers found it challenging to distinguish them from the more common gray dolphins due to their elusive habits. However, as more studies were conducted, the true uniqueness of the pink river dolphin came to light. One of their most fascinating adaptations is their flexible necks, allowing them to navigate the twisting, murky waters of the Amazon with remarkable ease. This helps them thrive in environments where visibility is low, making them expert navigators of the river's mysterious depths. As for their iconic pink color, it's not just for show. It's believed to be a result of scar tissue from playful tussles with other dolphins, or perhaps even a genetic trait. Whatever the cause, their vibrant hue has made them one of the Amazon's most beloved and curious creatures. But if you think the pink river dolphin is the strangest resident of the Amazon, you're in for a surprise. There's a creature lurking in the shadows of these waters, one that will challenge everything you think you know about river life. What is this mysterious beast, and what terrifying impact has it had on the Amazon? Stay with us as we reveal more about the river's most bizarre and fearsome inhabitants. The poison dart frog, nature's lethal chemist. The poison dart frog stands out not only for its stunning colors but for the deadly potency hidden within its small frame. These amphibians are diurnal creatures, meaning they are active during the day when their brightly colored bodies warn predators of the danger they carry. This vibrant coloration, known as aposematism, signals that the frog is highly toxic, a defense mechanism that has kept it alive for centuries in the wild. But where does this potent toxicity come from? The secret lies in their diet. Frogs that feast on a diet of ants, termites, and mites absorb the toxins from their prey and store them in their skin, making them poisonous to potential predators. Interestingly, species that consume a more varied diet exhibit far less toxicity, and some even camouflage themselves to avoid detection. Humans have long recognized the power of these creatures. Indigenous tribes in South America use the frog's toxic secretions to coat the tips of their blow darts for hunting, which is where the name dart frog originates. However, of the over 170 species of poison dart frogs, only 4 have been documented to be used in this way. The most potent of these is the Philobates terribilis, also known as the golden poison frog, whose toxicity is so powerful that a single frog carries enough poison to kill 10 to 20 men or 20,000 mice. Most poison dart frogs are small, with some less than 1.5 centimeters in length, but their size is no measure of their lethality. These frogs weigh a mere 1 ounce on average, yet their alkaloid toxins pack a deadly punch. Frogs from the Dendrobates genus are among the most toxic, while species like Colostethus are far less dangerous, often relying on cryptic coloring instead of bright warning signals. One of the most fascinating aspects of these frogs is that their toxicity is diet-dependent. Captive-bred frogs raised on a controlled diet are not toxic, proving that they don't produce the poison themselves but sequester it from their food. However, if reintroduced to a diet of toxic prey, these frogs regain their deadly properties, highlighting the intricate link between environment and survival. Despite the deadly reputation of poison dart frogs, nature's chemists have also provided invaluable benefits. Scientists are studying their toxins for medicinal uses. One such chemical, epibetadine, is an incredibly powerful painkiller, 200 times more potent than morphine. While its therapeutic use is limited by its proximity to a fatal dose, the possibilities it presents for medical breakthroughs are tantalizing. Even in the Amazon's most toxic creatures, there are predators like the snake Erythrolamprus epinephalis that have evolved immunity to the frog's poison, demonstrating the delicate balance of predator and prey in the natural world. So while the poison dart frog is a creature to be admired from a distance, it also reminds us of the untapped potential that nature holds. The toxins that once helped secure the survival of these frogs could one day be harnessed to cure diseases or develop life-saving medicines. What other species in the rainforest might hold the key to future medical breakthroughs, hiding their powerful secrets in plain sight? Poou, the masters of disguise in the rainforest. Discover the Poou, a remarkable group of nocturnal birds that are true enigmas of the tropical forests of Central and South America, often referred to as poor me ones, due to their haunting, melancholic calls. Poous belong to the family Nyctobiidae, which is distinct from their relatives, the nightjars and frogmouths. These extraordinary birds have a rich history, with fossil evidence suggesting they once roamed as far as Europe during the Paleogene period. Poous are primarily nocturnal insectivores that exhibit a fascinating adaptation. They perch motionless on tree stumps, seamlessly blending into their surroundings with plumage that mimics the bark of trees. This remarkable camouflage is their primary defense mechanism, allowing them to remain hidden from both predators and prey during the day. When threatened, they freeze in place, resembling broken branches, an impressive feat of nature's design. These unique birds primarily inhabit humid forests, with the Amazon basin being their sanctuary, home to 5 distinct species. While they are highly sedentary creatures, they can occasionally be found in drier forests, showcasing their adaptability to different habitats across Mexico, to Argentina, and even on Caribbean islands like Jamaica and Tobago. Poous have a fascinating foraging technique. As dusk falls, they emerge to hunt flying insects. Perched high on branches, they skillfully dart out to catch their prey: beetles, moths, grasshoppers, and even the occasional small bird. They consume their catches whole, without the need for crushing, making them efficient predators of the night. These enchanting birds are not just remarkable for their hunting skills, they also exhibit a strong sense of family. Poous are monogamous breeders, sharing the responsibilities of incubating their single egg and nurturing their chick. Instead of constructing traditional nests, they lay their eggs directly on a depression in a branch or atop a rotting stump, relying solely on camouflage to protect their precious offspring from predators. The chick hatches approximately a month after the egg is laid and remains in the nest for about 2 months, during which it adopts the same freeze position as its parents, becoming almost indistinguishable from its surroundings. Despite their mysterious and elusive nature, Poous play a crucial role in their ecosystems. By controlling insect populations and serving as indicators of forest health, they contribute to the rich tapestry of life in the tropical rainforest. As we continue to explore and appreciate the wonders of our planet, the Poous stands out as a testament to nature's creativity and the importance of preserving these unique habitats. Let us embrace the mystique of the Poous, a reminder of the delicate balance of our ecosystems and the hidden marvels that dwell within them. Discovering the world of these captivating birds not only enriches our understanding of biodiversity, but also inspires us to protect the enchanting environments they call home. Titanoboa, the prehistoric giant that ruled the tropics. Imagine a snake so massive that it dwarfed today's largest reptiles, a creature that dominated tropical ecosystems millions of years ago. Enter Titanoboa, an extinct genus of giant boyed snake that reigned during the Paleocene epoch shortly after the dinosaurs' extinction. This colossal predator holds the title of the largest snake ever discovered, and its size and behavior continue to fascinate scientists and enthusiasts alike. Titanoboa was first uncovered in the early 2000s when a groundbreaking expedition by the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute and students from the University of Florida unearthed an astonishing 186 fossils in La Guajira, northeastern Colombia. These fossils, preserved for millions of years, belong to a snake species so massive that researchers named it Titanoboa cerronensis, a fitting name for a creature of such size and power. It was officially described in 2009, marking one of the most significant paleontological discoveries of the decade. At its peak, Titanoboa stretched an incredible 40 to 50 feet in length and weighed over 2,500 pounds, far surpassing any snake alive today. Initially, paleontologists believed Titanoboa's size and swampy habitat mirrored that of a modern anaconda, a snake known for its ability to constrict and devour large prey like crocodiles. This theory led to the assumption that Titanoboa likely hunted and fed on large reptiles in its ancient, humid rainforest environment. However, new research conducted in 2013 by Jason Head and his colleagues shed light on an unexpected aspect of this ancient serpent's life. Upon examining Titanoboa's skull and teeth, they discovered unique adaptations pointing to a piscivorous, fish-eating diet. The shape of the palate, the structure of the teeth, and the overall anatomy revealed striking similarities to modern-day fish-eating snakes. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of how Titanoboa survived and thrived. The extensive river systems of Paleocene Colombia and the abundance of fossil fish found in the region provided the perfect feeding ground for this enormous predator. Although Titanoboa vanished millions of years ago, its discovery has left an indelible mark on the scientific community. Its size, adaptability, and the mystery surrounding its way of life serve as a reminder of the incredible diversity and power of ancient ecosystems. Could there be other prehistoric predators waiting to be discovered that challenge what we think we know about Earth's ancient past? Titanoboa is just one example of nature's capacity to evolve creatures of unimaginable size and strength. This legendary serpent has proven that sometimes the most extraordinary stories are the ones still being unearthed. Capybara, the gentle giant of the wetlands. Meet the capybara, a remarkable giant cavy rodent and the world's largest rodent species. Native to South America, these fascinating creatures thrive in a variety of habitats, primarily in semi-aquatic environments across almost every country in South America, except for Chile. With their charming demeanor and social nature, capybaras have not only adapted to their natural habitats, but have also carved out a niche in the hearts of many people worldwide. Capybaras are often found in the lush pastures of cattle ranches, where they roam freely over home ranges averaging 10 hectares. Their adaptability has allowed them to flourish in high-density populations, making sightings a common occurrence. Interestingly, some capybaras have escaped captivity and established themselves in regions far beyond their native range, including areas like Florida and even California. While no breeding populations have been confirmed in North America, these sightings evoke the presence of their prehistoric ancestors, which once roamed the same landscapes during the late Pleistocene. As herbivores, capybaras have a diverse diet consisting mainly of grasses, aquatic plants, fruits, and tree bark. These selective feeders often choose to graze on specific plant species while disregarding others around them. In the wet season, they enjoy an abundance of grass, but as conditions dry up, they skillfully switch to more readily available reeds. Their unique jaw structure allows them to grind food effectively, ensuring they extract maximum nutrition from their fibrous diet. Capybaras exhibit a fascinating behavior known as autocoprophagy. They consume their own feces to reabsorb vital nutrients and maintain a healthy gut flora, essential for digesting cellulose-rich grasses. This remarkable adaptation allows them to thrive even in challenging environments where food quality can vary seasonally. While capybaras face threats from hunting for their meat and pelts, as well as competition with livestock, they have shown an incredible ability to rebound due to their rapid breeding and adaptability. In many regions, they are farmed sustainably, helping protect their wetland habitats while providing an important source of meat. These gentle giants have also made their mark in urban areas, where they can be found in zoos and parks, often living longer lives, up to 12 years in captivity compared to their wild counterparts. In Venezuela, capybara meat holds a special place in culinary traditions, especially during Lent, thanks to a papal bull issued in 1784 that permitted its consumption when meats were restricted. However, the capybara's presence in urban settings has not been without controversy. In August 2021, reports emerged of capybaras causing trouble for residents in Nordelta, an affluent gated community near Buenos Aires, leading to social media users humorously adopting the capybara as a symbol of class struggle. As we continue to explore the diverse and intricate ecosystems of South America, the capybara stands out as a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and the interconnectedness of wildlife and human environments. Embracing these unique creatures not only enriches our understanding of biodiversity, but also highlights the importance of preserving their natural habitats for future generations. Mamata, the extraordinary freshwater turtle of the Amazon. Meet the Mamata, a truly remarkable species of freshwater turtle found in the vibrant waters of the Amazon basin and the river systems of the eastern Guianas. This unique turtle, first brought to the attention of Western science by the French naturalist Pierre Barrère in 1741, is a living testament to the wonders of evolution, boasting a distinctive appearance with spiky, ridged scales that make it look more like a piece of art than a reptile. Originally described as Testudo terrestris in 1765, the Mamata underwent a journey through a myriad of scientific classifications, 15 different names in total, before settling into its rightful place as Chelis fimbriata. In 1963, the International Commission on Zoological Nomenclature resolved earlier naming conflicts, confirming Chelis fimbriata as the conserved name for this fascinating species. Recent studies have revealed that the Mamata has distinct populations, leading to the proposal of a new species, Chelus orinocensis, for those found in the Orinoco Basin. This fascinating evolution of classification highlights the ongoing discovery in the natural world, inhabiting slow-moving streams, stagnant pools, marshes, and swamps across northern Bolivia, eastern Peru, eastern Ecuador, southeastern Colombia, the eastern Guianas, and northern and central Brazil. The Mamata is perfectly adapted to its environment. Their diet primarily consists of small fish, with research showing that these turtles predominantly feed at night in murky waters where visibility is limited. But how does the Mamata thrive in these challenging conditions? Their extraordinary eyesight reflects light, enhancing their ability to hunt in darkness, while sensitive skin flaps on their necks detect subtle movements nearby. This remarkable sensory adaptation gives them a significant edge in their nocturnal hunting grounds. When it comes to catching prey, the Mamata employs a unique strategy. They cleverly move their quarry into shallower waters, encircling it and using their front legs to prevent escape. Once their prey is surrounded, they unleash a powerful rush of water through their mouths, effortlessly pulling the unsuspecting fish into their waiting jaws. Join us on this journey to uncover the secrets of the Mamata, a creature that showcases the intricate and delicate balance of life in the Amazon. These turtles are not just a spectacle of nature, but also a crucial part of their ecosystem, contributing to the health of aquatic environments. Thank you for exploring the world of the Mamata with us. If you enjoyed this dive into the extraordinary, please like our video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating discoveries. Don't forget to click on the video appearing on your screen to continue your adventure with us. See you there.